This video shows how to install wall capping profiles with the example of MAG type profiles. The individual installation drawing indicates the position of the mounting brackets or the joint connectors, as well as the respective sheet profiles and polygon segments. It is recommended to firstly install the corner mounting brackets. Prior to that, place the included level plates into the mounting brackets in order to achieve a 2 degrees roof slope. If the face side is level, the slope will automatically be 2 degrees. Unlike the mounting brackets, joint connectors are equipped with a rubber seal. They are also of the same color as the profile coating. The first connector is inserted into the turned over corner element or snapped in place. Always snap on the inner side first, then the outer side. Ignoring this basic principle will result in buckling of the surface. Note: MAK wall capping profiles with a sharp fold back at the face side must be snapped on in reverse order, that means from the outside to the inside. Then the second joint connector is installed prior to placing the corner element and aligning it according to the building. After that, the joint connectors are fixed on one side. Thereafter, the corner element can be removed in reverse order and the joint connectors fixed on the inner side. Once again, check the height of the joint connectors and place the mounting bracket according to the design intervals indicated in the installation drawing. Inclination and height can be adjusted by moving the level plates. With all measurements correct, fasten the mounting brackets with screws. The second mounting bracket is installed accordingly. Now the corner element can be easily and finally snapped on. Let's now move to the installation of the polygon segments in the curved area. To do this, the joint connector is inserted on one side of the segment, the other side is snapped on to the last connector. The joint width must be adjusted with due consideration to the installation temperature. For detailed information, please refer to the installation menu. Fix the joint connector on one side and put on the next segment. Then lift up the respective previous segment and screw on the joint connector on the inner side. For longer segments, as shown in the installation drawing, an additional mounting bracket may be necessary. Individual details like this inner non-rectangular corner are specially made to measure. Installation is done according to the installation drawing as shown in the previous example. Now only the last segment is still missing. It has to be marked and cut to size on site. Cutting can be done with a jigsaw or an angle grinder. Remove any burrs with a file and dab on touch-up paint to cover the raw edge. As an example, you can use packing fleece for that. This completes the installation of the segments. Professional advice: slightly press on the front face of the profile ends prior to installation to make the face side butt against the joint connector. In the case of long sheet profiles, the mounting brackets and the joint connectors are aligned and fixed using an alignment string. After that and after installation of the next corner, the sheet profile can be snapped on as usual from the inside to the outside.